Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to reactivate your Happn account on your phone. If you deactivated your account and want to get back into the dating scene, you are in the right place. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Happn app if you haven't already. Once you download it, launch the Happn app on your phone. Once you open the app, you'll see this login interface. From here, you need to choose the same method that you used to sign up for your account before, which is the account that you deactivated before. So I previously created my account with Google, so I'll select Connect with Google, tap on Accept Conditions. Now select the credentials that you used to create your account before. And there you go. I deactivated my account a few days ago and I've successfully reactivated my account in the Happn app. So that's it. Reactivating your Happn account is very quick and easy process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.